Hi guys, my name is Amrish. You're watching Gourmet at Home. Today I will be preparing another simple and beautiful recipe of grilled fish. In our previous videos where we have kept the flavors inspired from southern part of India, we prepared the Polichattu style from Kerala. We prepared the Suttamen which is inspired from Tamil Nadu. In this video, we want to try something new. Where everybody is talking about having a good immune system, we thought of using the fresh turmeric to impart flavor in our grilled fish. So let's start preparing the recipe of Machli Haldi Patta. In this recipe of Machli Haldi Patta, the herbs and spices that we have selected to impart the flavor in our grilled fish are green coriander, fresh turmeric, lemon, coconut, peppercorns, garlic, green chilies, fennel seeds and some coriander seeds. So first we will season the fish with some lemon juice, salt and turmeric powder. We'll rest it for 5 to 10 minutes. And in the meantime, we will prepare the paste with the spices and the herbs that we have selected for this recipe. So let's start first with seasoning the fish. So first I will add the turmeric powder, followed by a pinch of salt and the lemon juice. The same process we will apply on the other side of the fish. So here I have cleaned the fish and put the incisions on the fish so that the flavors can penetrate the fish. After seasoning the fish with lemon juice, turmeric and salt, we will rest it for some time, and in the meantime we'll start preparing the paste or the marinade for the fish. So here I have got some coriander leaves, coconut, green chili, ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, the fresh turmeric, peppercorns, fennel seeds, some cumin seeds and some coriander seeds. After adding all the spices and herbs, we will squeeze lemon, so after blending the fresh turmeric along with coriander, coconut and the spices like coriander seeds, fennel and cumin, here is the coarse blend of the spices and the herbs that we have blended in the jar. Now I will add some salt to this. After adding the salt, I will apply the rub on the fish. The smell of fresh turmeric is something which is very unique to this marinade. You have the green coriander, coconut, the spices like coriander seeds and fennel. It's perfectly going well with all the herbs and the spices that we have selected for this marinade. We'll fill the marinade inside the fish, flip the fish on the other side and we'll apply the same marinade, ensuring the seasoning, the marinade is entering the incisions of the fish that we have made on the surface of the fish. Now after applying the marinade, we'll wrap the fish not in the banana leaf, but this time we'll be wrapping the fish in the butter paper. I will place the fish right in the center of the butter paper. So we have to fold the fish, ensuring the marination should not come outside or seep outside the butter paper. Once the fish is wrapped in the butter paper, we'll rest it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, the fish is ready to grill and I've kept the pan on the burner. Let's drizzle some oil and we'll gently place the fish on the pan. After placing the fish, I will cover the pan with the lid and will continue cooking on a slow flame for at least 3 to 4 minutes. So you can see at this stage the fish is slowly getting cooked in its own juices. At the same time the grilling is happening from the pan. So after 5 minutes we'll flip the fish and we'll continue cooking the fish on the other side. Most of the time we use recipes to cook food, but sometimes we need to get the ingredients in, understand their potential and use them according to the need of the time. Of course your skills and your technique will support you in that. Like in this recipe we have used the fresh turmeric. After 5 minutes let's remove the lid and I can sense the flavors of fresh herb marinade that we have used to impart the flavors in the fish, and I'm sure at this point of time the fish is perfectly cooked. So let's start plating the fish. Drizzle some olive oil and some freshly chopped coriander. Slice of lemon on the side, and here I have got some seasonal salad greens like carrot, lettuce, radish, green coriander and some beets. Hope you enjoyed this recipe of grilled fish with some fresh turmeric. I am sure you will try this recipe in your kitchen. Looking forward to see you again in our next episode of Gourmet at Home.